Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. To all my supporters and all my channel members, thank you so much for the love and support. As you can see by the title, I am making breadfruit fried dumpling and breadfruit boiled dumpling. Come along with me, let I show you how I do this.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend, them comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. One leap of spice of it there in the pot. Sister J, she no play to the world where we say when a time we cook, she no delay. Me swear.
So here I have the breadfruit already washed. And I'm just gonna cut this in two, peel and then grate it. So here it is. I have it cut in two. So I'm just gonna grate it. Here I'm grating the breadfruit. Finish grating. So I divide it in two, half for boiling and half for frying. So I'm gonna mix the dough for frying. So I'm gonna be adding 1 cup of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon butter, and 1 tablespoon brown sugar. We need clean hands and some water. And now I'm gonna make the dough for the fried dumplings. So now that I have the dough ready for the fried dumpling, I'm just gonna sit it aside, covered with a wet towel. Yes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and make the dumpling for boiling. So I'm adding 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup cornmeal, some salt, clean hands, and water. So I'm gonna be making this dumpling into a dough. I make it this dough into dumpling, right? Oh Lord. Here I'm adding some oil to the pot. So I'm making my dumpling for frying. And I'm gonna make everything first and add it to the oil because I want them to fry evenly. So here I have all of them frying together. And yes guys, this dumpling breadfruit recipe tastes real good, especially the fried one. Now I'm making the dough for the boiled dumpling. So I'm just gonna mix this all up for the boiled dumpling. So here I have the water on the fire, boiling for the boiled dumpling. So now I'm adding the dumpling one at a time to the boiling water. And yes, you gotta try this breadfruit dumpling recipe out, guys. Trust me, it tastes good. Don't take my word for it. Try it and you tell me. It's real good. So here is the fried dumpling. I'm turning them nicely. Yes, and I'll get them golden brown so it can be flaky and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. And yeah, dumpling, breadfruit dumpling. Another one from Sister J, okay? This is not another Sister J recipe. I created this one again. Breadfruit fried dumpling and breadfruit boiled dumpling. Look at it. Frying nicely. And over there, so the pata bubble nicely. So I'm going to remove the fried dumpling from the oil because these are ready, golden brown and nice. Yes. And this is what my fried breadfruit dumpling look like. And this is the boiled breadfruit dumpling served with tin mackerel. Yes, guys. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more delicious recipe. Thank you for watching.